Here's something that'll shock you. Two coders with the exact same experience level, same location, same company, can make a $60,000 difference per year, just because they learned different languages, and most people have no idea which languages are actually worth their time. So today, we're breaking down the exact programming languages that make you the most money, how fast you can start earning, and the weird language that's about to explode that nobody's talking about yet. I'm your host, and this is the guide to turning your coding skills into real wealth. Let's go. First, let's talk about why this matters. There are hundreds of programming languages out there, but only a handful actually move the needle on your paycheck. This isn't about which language is best. It's about which ones have the most demand, the highest barriers to entry, and the fattest paychecks waiting on the other side. Think of it like real estate. You can build a house anywhere, but some neighborhoods pay way more. Same with code. Now, I pulled data from Glassdoor, Stack Overflow, and LinkedIn. And here's what the market is actually saying right now in 2025. Number one is Python. Python devs are making $120K to $180K depending on whether you're doing back-end web work, data science, or AI stuff. Python's everywhere. Machine learning, finance automation, startups can't get enough of it. The reason? It's relatively easy to learn, but there's still a shortage of quality developers. High demand plus moderate barrier to entry equals money. But here's the plot twist. Python is also the most saturated right now. Everyone and their cousin is learning Python because it's the beginner language. So while the money is good, the competition is fierce. That's the pattern interrupt moment number one. The easiest languages to learn don't always pay the best. Number two is JavaScript and TypeScript. JavaScript devs make $110K to $160K. TypeScript is slightly higher. Why? Because JavaScript runs on the web, and every single company in the world needs web developers. It's the infrastructure of the internet. TypeScript is literally just JavaScript with training wheels. It catches errors before they happen. And because it's the newer, fancier version, companies pay a premium for devs who know it. The downside, you have to learn web frameworks, React, Vue, Angular. It's an ecosystem. But once you do, jobs are everywhere. Number three is Go, also called Golang. Go devs are making $150K to $190K. Go is the language that back-end engineers use when they need speed and simplicity. It was built at Google to handle massive scale without your head exploding. Here's why you should care. Go has fewer devs than Python or JavaScript, so there's less competition. Companies that use Go are usually serious companies with serious budgets. Fintech, infrastructure, cloud platforms. If you learn Go, you're positioning yourself in the higher-end market. The learning curve is steeper than Python, but your payoff is faster. Number four is Rust. Rust devs, $140K to $200K. Rust is the hardest language on this list. It's the language systems engineers use when safety and performance matter more than shipping fast. Think, operating systems, blockchain, security software. Rust has grown 37% year over year in job demand. Why? Because bugs in Rust literally can't happen at compile time. The language forces you to write safe code. Companies will pay insane money for Rust devs because one bug in systems-level code can cost millions. The trade-off? It takes longer to learn, but your scarcity premium is real. Number five is Swift. Swift devs make $120K to $170K. Swift is Apple's language. iOS, macOS, all of it. If you want to build mobile apps that millions of people use, Swift is the pathway. The money is solid, and the job market is stable. Plus, there's less competition than web development. But you're locked into Apple's ecosystem, which some people love and some people hate. Now here's the language everyone's sleeping on right now, and this is moment two of pattern interrupt. Solidity. Solidity devs are making $150K to $250K right now, sometimes with token bonuses that are insane. Solidity is the language of smart contracts on blockchain networks like Ethereum. Here's the thing. It's super niche right now, which means fewer devs. And blockchain companies are absolutely desperate for talent. The risk? Blockchain is volatile. Companies appear and disappear. But if you're risk tolerant and want potentially the highest ceiling, Solidity is it. Now, Let's talk about what actually matters when you're deciding which language to learn. First, demand in your area. Check job boards in your city. Some regions are heavy on web development, some on finance systems, some on mobile. Second, learning time versus earning speed. Python and JavaScript you can start freelancing with in 3-6 months. Rust and Go take longer, but pay faster once you land a job. Third, your lifestyle preference. Do you want to work at a big company with stability? Go back end. Want to freelance and control your schedule? JavaScript web development. Want the highest ceiling regardless of volatility? Solidity. Fourth, what you actually enjoy. This matters more than people admit. If you hate what you're building, $200K feels like prison. Here's your action plan. Step 1. Pick one language from the top 3, Python, JavaScript, or Go, based on your preference. Step 2. Commit to learning for 3 months minimum. 3 months of consistent effort, not sporadic YouTube videos. Step 3. Start building projects immediately. Don't just learn syntax, build real things. Step 4. Start freelancing or apply to entry-level positions around month 4. The market doesn't care about your degree. It cares about your portfolio. Step 5. As you gain experience, you can pivot to higher-paying specializations within that language. The beautiful thing is, once you learn one language well, the second and third are 10x easier. They all have the same fundamental concepts. The language is just the vehicle. The concept is what matters. One more thing, learning to code is one pillar of earning more money. But the real wealth-building game is investing those earnings. Every dollar you make from coding should have a plan. Max out that 401k. Throw extra into low-cost index funds like VTI or VOO. Automate it so you never see the money. That's how coders actually become wealthy. It's not just the salary, it's what you do with it. So here's my challenge for you. Pick your language this week. Commit to it. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you're learning and why. If you found this valuable, like the video, and subscribe for more content on skills that pay and wealth that sticks. You've got this. Disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Career advice should be personalized to your situation. Always consult with a licensed career counselor or financial advisor before making major decisions.